everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl now again, and welcome to my Vlogmas series episode 4. Right now I'm going back home from office. Today I'm going to show you how to make Shan Noodle. Now I start making the chili to eat with Shan Noodle. As usual, I put the oil into the pot and then I prepare the chili. After the oil is hot, I pour the oil into the chili. So the smell is so good. Now I prepare the fried garlic to eat with Shan Noodle. Firstly put the garlic onto the pan and I fry it until turn to the yellow color. And I add on the Chinese seasoning in order to make the smell so good. After turn to the yellow color, I put it into the bowl. Now it's the time to prepare the tomato paste with chicken to eat with Shan Noodle. I put the Chinese seasoning first and I fry it. After that, I put a little bit of turmeric for the color. When they smell good, I put the onion into the pan and I fry it until they turn the yellow color. When the onion is the color good, I add on the tomato and then I fry it until it's dry. I add on a little bit of chili in order to good coloring. I add on the sauce and some of the seasoning. I add on the fish sauce, soy sauce. When the tomato is good enough, I add on the chicken and I cook it until it's dry and good color and the good smell. You can follow this recipe to cook the chicken tomato paste. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare the Shan Noodle. Firstly, you soak the noodle into the water about 30 minutes and then you add it into the bone soup. You can cook a little bit or soft about 2 or 3 minutes only, and then when it's soft enough, you can take out and put it into the bowl. After the noodle is ready, you can add on the chicken tomato paste and then pour the bone soup into the noodle bowl. And I add on peanut, cinnamon, and fried garlic, as much as you like, and chili and soy sauce. I put pepper into the bowl and then a little bit of basil, and if if you like the lime, you can squeeze the lime into the noodle bowl. So now the noodle is ready to serve.